Bro, this shit's fucking crazy, bro. I'm going to Home Depot because I kind of want to like hack up this exhaust and like make it better and like practice welding and shit because it sucks. But they don't even rent tools at the fucking the window. They don't even rent tools at the Home Depot that I live like 5-minute walk from. But of course, the one that's like damn near 20 minutes away and you got to be in traffic and shit is the one. So, as always, I'm gonna fucking pop back up when I get this shit because you don't want to see me drive.
Just working on right, bro.
Alright, so I'm sure this is a lot of fucking jumping and cutting and fucking editing and bullshit, but this is the it's the final product. Yeah, obviously I put something in between this. You see that? It's not just a straight pipe anymore. Shitty welds, you know, the usual. And then this is off of SRT 392, and just a dual tip. And it's not even welded on. Look how lazy I am, bro. Reusing the fucking factory clamp. It's holding though, but I don't know how long, and it kind of flops around. Hold on, let me. You know, that's what you want. But yeah, sounds all right. Who am I? Not let you hear it. So a warm start. It's not a cold start, but I'm sure I'll add a cold start after this, which will be tomorrow morning. Dumb fucking phone. Alright. There you go. Clapped out, you know, sounds all right. I'll give you a rev. It's time to shoot. As you can hear, not clapped out, sounds way better. I gotta figure out how to support this though, because I feel like this is kind of nasty. Like, oh wait, you know, one of these, but then I have to weld something to like that, and then put it there, and try to figure out how to one of these. I mean, I have spare shit laying around that weld something here and then do that, but I don't know. Maybe the weekend, bro. I work every day, all day, so I don't know if I want to do. Oh yeah, you know, fucking weight reduction, you know, just a little bit of that. But yeah, still misfiring, low key. Needs O2 sensors, but I'm gonna definitely show a clip of that, like me putting those on, and this being healthy before I just upload this bullshit. But yeah, you know, it's looking way better already just off of that alone. I feel like this sets the whole truck. But you know, obviously gotta fix that, and then that, and you know, cab corner rot, and you know, shitty paint, fucking shitty fucked up rims. But hey, got lights, you know. But, hopefully the next clip will be me cold starting it, because I cannot wait to hear that shit. I might come out in like a few hours just to hear that shit, honestly. Hey, real quick, don't be surprised if like I cut this shit the fuck off, because low key, I don't know, I'm kind of thinking about cutting this shit off. I don't know, man. I change this shit like every other day, bro. Every day it's a new exhaust, honestly. So I don't know. Maybe I'll let it rock and see how it is when it's healthy, and if I still kind of on the fence about it, just cut it all off, and well, not all of it, but cut that shit off, and then weld, you know, a pipe, just straight pipe from that MagnaFlow, and then put the tip on there. Because the only reason I put this tip on here on it, or the only reason I put that on there, is because the end of that is like 3 inches or whatever. It just fits into the tip, but that is like 2.5. Like this right here is like 2.5, I think. So it just kind of like fit all over. It's 2 or something. Like it's extremely small compared to this, the end of this tip. So it wasn't good to weld. So I would have to like actually try to attach that to a regular pipe if I cut this off. So I mean, I could. They sell those little pieces at, you know, Amazon, or well, yeah, Amazon, but AutoZone. So I could buy that, and then the coupler. But again, gonna see how this sounds healthy before I even fuck with it, because you know, sparks are hot. It fucking amazes me every time I like listen to these clips back and shit. I sound white, bro, and I don't know why, because that shit's crazy. But oh shit, don't want to hit this family and shit, you know. Yeah, all right, there we go. A little pull. Yeah, nice and not ready for that. Until I get those O2s, like, this thing is not good from a dig. I'm gonna try. Hold on, let me get it up to speed real quick. Yeah. it's something, but definitely wanna fix that. Like, I wanna make it smooth, because it is definitely like bro, what? But again, that's like I'm saying, like, it could be the exhaust that I just put on. Like, it could be that little fucking muffler that's, you know what? Don't want to fucking smack that dickhead, so let's fucking actually stop, I guess. Yeah, like I'm saying, it could be that exhaust. So, I don't know. Yeah, I need a shower, bro. I feel nasty. Like, I feel fucking disgusting, bro. But yeah, man, I don't know. I kind of want to, like, chop it off, like, right now. But I feel like that's just, I'm just impulsive when it comes to this truck, man. Like, every day, I feel like I'm just dumping time and energy and money and energy and money into this truck. But hey, man, like, yo, the gas, I mean, shit, bro. I've been driving this for a week and it's only on quarter tank. I mean, I can't really complain with a V8. Barely a V8. Like, barely. Yeah, like, I mean, it sounds alright. But it's also like the O2s and then that muffler that wasn't designed to be on this truck. Yeah, I don't know, man. I think I give it like a solid week. And if I still am like, man, I'm cutting that shit off, bro. And it's also like kind of perfect because I didn't weld the tip on yet. So it's not like I gotta cut the tip and I gotta cut the fucking muffler. I just gotta cut the muffler off and then, like I said, weld the pipe and then attach the tip. Well, attach the coupler on there because I'm probably gonna need one of those and then attach the tip. This thing, it's like, it seems a lot easier until I like actually have to do it, and then I'm pissed because it's not as easy as I'm just saying it is. But if I weld it before I put it on the truck, like, I weld that piece, those two pieces together, and then put it on and weld it to that magnet flow or pipe or whatever I do, it's a lot easier. But I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, just like cruising and shit, it's definitely not like obnoxiously loud like it was before. I didn't even record it because it was just like, bro, you didn't want to hear that, bro. It would just clap. So I don't know, it is what it is. Oh shit, I guess I'll do one of these. You don't really hear it right now. Let me throw it in neutral. You know, it still pops, you know, it still's got that little pop to it. That's why I'm like, I might cut that muffler off, man. It should get a little bit louder without that muffler on the back of it. But the resonator or whatever, you know what I mean? Like, the magnet flow stays, you know, Dodge fucking muffler off. It should be a little bit louder, and it shouldn't be like as quiet, but it should still be like a nice tone, like how it kind of is. But yeah, I don't know. I'm going to the crib, taking a shower, getting unnasty. Next clip should be a cold start. So for me, that'll be a while, but for you, that should be like that. So time to, yeah. I'll come back when it's done. Alright. New setup. Magnet flow. Elbow. And a straight 3-inch. 18. So I'm gonna go take a shower first. But I'm gonna come back, get a start, and then we're gonna head to a car meet. If they don't cancel it, because it's fucking raining, bro. Like, I don't know. But we'll see. Fuck it. that car meat was ass. And if I got this shit box, yeah, it was ass. Sounds alright though. Not too loud. Not too quiet. Alright. Already done that side 02s. Got this side. Side's like way easier because you actually have access to it. The other side was a pain in the fucking ass. Only recommendation I have is clear out your whole fucking day and use WD-40 or PB Blaster. It doesn't matter because I use WD-40, so it doesn't really matter. Yes, I do have those. Fuck. It's a breaker bar. I could probably use a ratchet actually. Yeah. Something like that. Yes, it does feel like it's a fucking 100 degrees outside. Oh fuck, I got this on tightened. Oh fuck. Should've just kept the breaker bar. Might actually just come off now. Trace that up. Oh fuck. Where's the plug-in at? Oh, wait. There we go. Lock the tab. It's fucking 3 out of 4. Other 3 over there, I'm not bullshitting. Alright. Let me get this one in. And I'm gonna get back to you when I get the upstream off, and then we'll be ready to start. So yeah, you don't want to see this, trust me.